Hello and welcome to our short tutorial on how to finish the neckline with facing pieces of the 47-2 Marinière Straight-Cut top with bow. First, put your facing pieces on top of your garment. We have made the front facing with a seam. You can also cut it on the fold. Mark the joining points of your main shoulder pieces, or better your seam allowances on the front and back pieces as shown in the video. Notice how we omitted the seam allowance when sewing the shoulder seams. That is important for a neater finish on the inside. Now put your facing pieces right sides together and sew them together only up to the points of your seam allowance. Iron apart the seam allowances. Place the facing piece right sides together on your neckline and pin in place. Start at the center front. Sew the facing on the front neckline. Now comes a trick for your back neckline and how to finish this along the zipper in a super neat way. For this, pin the facing to the back neckline, but only sew up to 5 centimeters up to your zipper. Now put a little pleat in the still open part of your main fabric, about the width of 8 to 10 millimeters. Only pin this with a needle. Unfold your zipper band and place the facing on top of it. Sew the facing on top of the zipper band, about 2 centimeters vertical line. Unpin your pleat. Fold the zipper band to the right side of the fabric. The facing and main fabric should now lie neatly on top of each other. Close that gap you still have along the neckline and also sew over the zipper band, sandwiching the folded facing in between. You can now turn this corner and have a neat finish along your zipper at the very top. On the inside, turn under the seam allowance of the inner neckline facing and sew it invisibly by hand on the inside or edge stitch it in place. This is what the inside looks after hand stitching the facing in place. We hope you like this beautiful finish on the inside and look forward seeing your 47-2 Marinière tops. Subscribe to our channel for more sewing tutorials and visit our shop at sistermagpatterns.com.